Hello friends, I am again on the now this time I am on the visit of Raja Man Mandir Palace. I think क्या था ये, पता नहीं क्या था ये, इसका नाम क्या है?
मान 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 सिंह पैलेस।
मान सिंह Palace. Okay, I am on the visit of Man Singh Palace. Here we go. Like it is built like this. So visit with me. This is the entry point. We have entered in this Man Singh Palace built by Raja Man Singh Tomar in the year of 1500 something. It is also called Bhul Bhulaiya because it comprises three monuments or the three buildings all together. Like it has Raja Man Singh Palace, first one this, then after this we'll have the visit of what? Saas Bahu Palace, and then after we'll have visit over, and the third one is the Teli Mandir. So we are here. See this Bhul Bhulaiya type structure. Actually, this is Man Singh Palace. Let's see the crowd over here. Not quite crowdy. We are forwarding. See, this is one of the room over here. I think there is some window-like structure to look outside the palace. Then we'll have the look over Saas Bahu Temple. We are looking forward to see this. Meet my sister too. ये अकेले अकेले भागती रहती है. Now we are going to enter into the second room. This is some room I think here. कहाँ आ गए हम ये? I think ये वही जगह है जहाँ से हम एंटर हुए थे. Okay. That is why this is called भूल भुलैया. यहाँ पे मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ ना, एक्चुअली लाइट की वजह से. And this is some gallery like structure, and this is like secret room. See this. So here we are. We are on the way to the next room of this palace. Okay, this is gumbad like structure. I mean dome like structure. See this? The dome like structure. It's dome like structure. I think this is main hall of this palace, and I am looking forward to see the next room or the next thing over here. Okay. मुझे यहाँ पे जाना चाहिए कि नहीं जाना चाहिए? Oh, we have come to the new palace. I think new place of this palace. Go back to the former position. Like क्योंकि ये भूल भुलैया है तो the chances of being vanished, I mean गुम हो जाने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Where is my sister? I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world so bright, it's hard to breathe. It's alright. मुझे समझ में आ गया कि इसको भूल भुलैया क्यों बोलते हैं. मैं तो अभी गुम ही हो गई थी ऑलमोस्ट. नाउ आई फाइंड माई सिस्टर ओवर हियर. These structures I think called, क्या ही बोलते थे, दीवाने आम दीवाने खा थरू का दर्शन. थरू का दर्शन इज द process through which the queens of the palace used to sit in the meetings of the king and their like Navratnas and all other things. I am at the place where through which I can see the Gwalior city through the holes. I cannot make you see this because I am opening the front camera, but I can turn myself. Have a look over through these holes. I can see the Gwalior city and the rest palace. Oh, I have seen one doggy over here, so cute. I think I should shut down my camera because my battery is so low. My mobile will get switched off after some time. So bye bye friends, we'll meet some another day, some another time. So bye bye.